Ever heard of the haunted typewriter of Old Hollow Hill? Legend has it, this vintage machine is not just for typing mundane grocery lists. Oh no, it's for writing tales of terror, conveniently in blood. The story goes that a struggling writer named Ernest found this typewriter at a yard sale. He thought he struck gold until he struck the first key. Ernest's fingers danced on the keys, and the typewriter seemed to have a life of its own, clacking away with eerie speed. The words that appeared were not his own, but the dark confessions of long-dead souls. One night, as Ernest typed feverishly, crimson liquid began to seep from the keys. Yep, you guessed it. His stories were literally written in blood. Each tale revealed the gruesome fate of those who had wronged the spirits trapped within the typewriter. One character, Mr. Thompson, a crooked banker, met a grisly end, his demise foreshadowed in excruciating detail. Ernest tried to stop, but the typewriter had other plans. It compelled him to write, dragging him deeper into its malevolent grasp. Eventually, the town found Ernest lifeless, his final, unfinished story lingering on the typewriter, a warning to all who dare to write with it. So, if you ever stumble upon an antique typewriter in Old Hollow Hill, maybe stick to your laptop.